Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you will enjoy the details that I am about to share with you. Now this is a simple snowman DIY taking place inside of a small wooden box shaped as a house. I recently shared with you the materials that I would be using for this project, and what I did was I went into one of my calendars and I chose a wintry scenery. So I have this house with the dried trees and dried grass and some snow back there. Then I was left with extra scenery, which would be that lighthouse that you see there, right? Trees and the view of the sky. So I was able to cover the entire interior with just one page from that calendar. I didn't let anything go to waste. So then I took some of my snowmen, of the ones that I wasn't going to be using for Christmas. The back ones, the ones with the red hats, those are made out of wood. This one here in the front is plastic. And the one in the middle there with the two mice, that is a tree ornament. So I had to cut the little string on top of his hat. So as the snow on the ground, I also have a piece of foam. So it looks like fresh snow. And then, as you can see, none of this falls out. Why? Because I used tacky. If you've used this before, you know that it is removable and you can reuse it. So this is what this came out like. Look at that. Nothing falls out. Let's look at the house back there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful back there? Looks so real. And that's the lighthouse on the side. So yeah, these snowmen are ready for Christmas. I hope that you have enjoyed this little DIY. I bought this house in sets of 2 at a community yard sale last year. So I have 2 more of these. I'll probably make a Halloween setting and a baby setting with the other ones. This is the back. Very small, but look at how much you can fit in a small box like this. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed the little DIY, and thank you so much for watching.